Today on the Dirty Shop we are making camper stairs. Sweet. Check it out.
Warning, this video may contain scenes of extreme untidiness. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah, baby. I do want to show you a couple of things. that didn't get done shown in the video because I had some glitches in my camera. So I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to show you these pieces that that just didn't make it. Alrighty, so here's a close-up of the stairs, and what I did to make these, to line them up and get them to fit right, is I assembled them on the ground, just the stairs and these back bars, right? So these bars give some support to either the top or the bottom of the stairs, so that they have more structure than just being welded on the edges on one bar. So these ones here in the front, or in the top step, the step is set as far back as I could get it, right? And it's got these leg supports to hold that up, and then it's got stepped down, and then the front step is as far forward as I could get it. And the reason I did this was so that this leg here was not sticking out here, because if it was in the center or on the front of it, it would stick out here and you would trip over it. So it's set to the back, and these bars here are just welded back to corner as we go up to give it some structure. And like I said, I just welded the stairs together, made sure they were kind of square to each other with the tops and these bars, and then I set them in the pipes, clamped them on, and welded them where I wanted them, and you know, got the pipes trimmed to the right size. And the piece of video I had for that just got corrupted and didn't go through, so I wanted to show you that in detail to get a better idea of what I had done. I've got 3 screws on each side here. I originally set it up with just one to test it, and it worked fine. And then there's a whole bunch of screws down here on the bottom. The only part of this structure that I felt good about was this exterior frame, because there's a lot of metal there in that frame that could hold it on. And as you can see, I've got the bar clamp here with the 4 bolts or 5 bolts to hold that on to make sure it's plenty strong. So here they are in a state of basically doneness. I'm pretty happy with the way they came out. It all worked out fairly well. They're very strong, very sturdy, and stable. So the lady that uses these, my mother-in-law, is sometimes a little unstable, and she wanted some much better stairs than the way they had them, and so she's got this now, which is great. They don't weigh too much. You can pick them up just one-handed there. The latch comes up nicely. Latch is on. They don't shake basically at all. You know, when you drive down the road, you want them banging around. So that worked pretty good. And then you just take a carabiner clip, big steel carabiner clip, put it right there to hold them in, and that keeps the latch from jumping up. So there you go. I'm not sure if this is the best way to build stairs for a camper, but I sure like them. It turned out really good, and I'm pretty happy about the way they came out. Thank you for watching. Hit that like, the subscribe button as usual, and stay tuned for more cool things on the Dirty Shop.